ST, ST status cannot be achieved by political demand. It is the matter of identification. ST demand কৰি পোৱা বস্তু নহয়, এইটো হ'ল এটা identification of a community. Without real identification of a community cannot be achieved the status of tribal, so nobody cannot be solved that problem through the political issues. Now matter is that 6 community demanding to achieve tribal status in Assam, but it is not an easy matter to solve the problem of 6 community of Assam. There is some restriction, rule and regulations of ST. Really, ST are seen many characteristics. These are given below. 1. Avoiding social activities. Second, cleansing to caregiver. 3. Binding contact. 4. Nervous habits. 5. Reluctance to try new things. 6. Blushing and fit getting. 7. Difficulty forming friendship. 8. Fear of judgment. These are the characteristics of ST community. Now, in Assam, 6 community are fighting with Assam government to achieve the status of ST in Assam by political demand. But the matter of 6 community of Assam say Moran, Mothok, Adivasi, Ahom, Koch Rajbongshi and Sutia really they are very much advanced community of Assam and the existing present 14 Nose ST community are very weak in every step of their lives. If we comparing with the mentioned communities of Assam, every walk of life, they are more powerful and forwarded than present scheduled tribe of Assam. They cannot be fought with them in education, culture, language, religion, etc. Many IAS, IPS, ACS, APS and gazetted officers are from Moran, Mothok, Ahom, Koch Rajbongshi and Sutia. Actually, they cannot fulfill the ST status. If we seriously study about the mentioning community, the 14 Nose scheduled tribes of Assam is very weak. There are every-sided backward and underdeveloped. So the mentioned 6 community are very much advanced and forwarded than Boro, Kosari, Rabha, Hajong, Mising, Dimasa, Mes, etc. Now the Assam government taken some necessary step to solve the burning problem seriously in the next assembly sitting. The study team of 6 community and the Chief Minister of Assam hoping that it will be finalized in assembly discussion, but matter is very serious. How it will be solved without fulfilling the criteria of ST mean scheduled tribes? The subject matter of ST is not immediately solution by the government of Assam. This is not a matter of political parties issues. This is the matter of identification of a community. Without criteria or identification of a community, it cannot be solved. We have been seen Dalme Kuch Kala Hai because this matter is serious for existing tribal of Assam. Present existing tribal also taken regularly agitation against the 6 communities of Assam, fighting to stop the matter immediately, requesting withdrawal of bill of 2019, which bill is passed by Indian National Congress Party in Assam Assembly. According to Day Art formula, they deciding without affecting present ST, they will be given ST to the 6 community of Assam. It is not an exceptional argument for present scheduled tribe of Assam. ST is ST, always ST. There is no question of hills or plain. Both are scheduled tribes. So the state and central government, if feel or not taken any necessary steps to safeguard the tribal people in Assam under the Constitution of India, in coming assembly election, the government of Assam will be face problem because the existing tribals will be ban the BJP government and they cannot be won in the assembly election. Present political scenario or sign is seen very bad. Now the shortly Sisitwa mean coordination committee of tribal organization protecting the government to stop the ST matter bill in next assembly. The organization still not accepted the political dialogue of Assam government. In media platform, they are leaders of Sisitwa given their voice. And today, 10 November 2025, they taken protection rally at Sonapur High School mini stadium, a great mass movement against the government of Assam, and this is known as a tribal mass rally on unequivocal opposition of all scheduled tribes group of Assam to a detrimental political movement of the government to enlist 6 community and population community into scheduled tribe list. Now, questions are very much serious of government. ST cannot be made by political demand and debate. It is born but not made. There is a question of identification of a nation. We have not found ST criteria in 6 community of Assam. How can state and central government going to be fulfill their criteria? According to the subject matter of ST criteria, they never met scheduled tribe in Assam as per report of above mentioned committee. Include, I would like to request that the local and central government, please don't ignore the present scheduled tribe decision also. Without protecting, they cannot be fulfill their facilities because still they are very backward and educationally, economically, culturally, linguistically, in every step of their lives. They cannot be fought with them because they are more advanced community of Assam.